In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can flip the camera while recording on Android. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. So if you want to flip your camera while recording on your Android, usually on your Android phone, if you're using the dedicated stock camera that comes with the phone, then you will have the ability to do that based off the version of Samsung phone that you have and so on. So for an example, if I just search for camera and I open up the camera, what I can do is I can switch to video and I can start recording a video. And as you can see, I'm recording a video right now. And then you can see right there is a little flip icon. So what you can actually do is you can tap that little flip icon and now you can see it's recording myself, and then you can flip the camera back to the front camera and we'll record whatever in front of you. So that's what you can do normally with the stock camera on your Samsung or Android phone. And if you don't have that little flip icon, it usually means you're using a camera app that's not the stock camera app. So for an example, if I open up this one right here and then I start recording a video, you can see the flip icon gets removed. Okay, so that's not what we want. We want to use the camera icon. You can see it right there. It usually looks like a camera. And if you're not able to do that on your Android phone with your stock camera, you can go to the Play Store and you can search for camera, and you can just try out all these different cameras, and usually one of them will have the ability to flip the camera while recording. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.